Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail in Canva. It's super easy and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Click on the Create a Design button at the top right. From the drop-down, select YouTube Thumbnail. This will open a blank canvas with the perfect dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. Next, let's add a background. You can either use a solid color, a gradient, or an image. To do this, go to the Background tab on the left panel. You can choose from the options available, or if you want to use your own image, click on Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your image. Once uploaded, click on it to add it to your canvas. Then right-click on it and select Set Image as Background. Double-click on it to reposition it. Now let's add some text. Go to the Text tab on the left panel. You can choose from various text templates or click Add a Heading to create your own. Type in your text and use the toolbar at the top to customize it. Make sure your text is clear and easy to read. To make your text stand out, you can add effects like shadows or outlines. Click on Effects in the toolbar. Here, you can experiment with different styles until you find the one that looks great. Thumbnails often look more engaging with images or icons. Go to the Elements tab on the left panel. You can search for specific images or icons or browse through categories. Click on the ones you like to add them to your canvas. You can resize and reposition them as needed. Take a moment to arrange everything on your canvas. Make sure your text is readable and nothing important is hidden. Use the alignment tools to center your elements if needed. Play around with the sizes and positions until you're happy with the layout. And that's it! You've just created a stunning thumbnail in Canva. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.